Hi everybody, welcome to Unacademy. Yes, can you see me? Am I audible, guys? Welcome to Unacademy, guys. Can you see me? Okay, so just wanted to check with your audibility. Today we are going to learn what are the topics is going to be covered in AAMCET on botany. Specifically on botany, what are the concepts we need to learn? What are the things we have to understand in terms of botany? Okay, so before with that, so to get all the concepts from Unacademy, you need to be a plus educator. So becoming a plus subscriber, what are the benefits you are going to get is you will get a premium content at an affordable price. You will get a premium content at affordable price. We'll have a regular class. Okay. Structured doubt clearing session. Doubt clearing sessions will be given. Okay. Not only that, regular quizzes will be conducted. Quiz at a regular interval. We will be giving you a self-analysis, where you strong, where you are weak, which area that you need to concentrate. Badges will be given with a complete preparations. All the syllabus content will be covered within the given period of time. We have already 20 plus top educators, and not only that, we have well designed test series. Full length mock test will be given, analysis will be given. So all these things will be done with a single subscription. So make sure you subscribe to Plus Class to get all the benefits. So what is the pay that you need to pay? What is the amount that you need to pay to become a plus subscriber? Yes, here I am going to help you with that. So if you are preparing for 11th standard or 10th standard, I would recommend you to go for 1 year subscription, okay, which is very less, 12,375, because all the top educator in India, the experts are there with us. So experts will clarify all your doubts and will make you clear your AAMCET examinations. So with 1 year complete preparations, they will take care of your complete progress on your subjects and concepts. Okay, so to make your concepts clear, you need certain period. So to understand the concepts towards AAMCET point of view, you need to be with us at least for 6 months, so that your consistent preparations will give you a guarantee success. Will give you a guarantee on your success. So to get this 6 months plan, 10,125 is the price. 10,125 is the price, and for 12 months it is 12,375. So it is like a small investment that you are going to give invest for your career. So career means it includes your life. So for your life, you are going to invest your time. Every day 2 hours preparation is going to make your future in a brighter way. So going to the next part. So why we need to pay? When you think on that particular angle, we are here with both linguistic, like Telugu batches, English batches. We will be helping you in covering with the top educators. Okay, best educators are with us. We will be helping you in your Telugu language explanations, English for your better understanding. Syllabus will be covered completely. Okay, we will help you with tips and tricks. So what are the tips that you have to apply for your exam point of view? Okay, and how you have to maintain your time, how you can save your time. So that saving your time and maintaining your time is very important for any competitive exam. So you can give a try. So because of this only you have to pay. So if you want to give a try, you can give a small try with 1 month trial, that is 2250. To get this best offer, you have to use the code called ARUNSLIVE. If you use this ARUNSLIVE code, you will be given this 10% discount price. Got it? So this 10% discount price will be given only when you use ARUNSLIVE. So guys, don't wait for, do follow me. I'm Arun Kumar. Yes, I'm a biology tutor, biology educator for you. Will guide you in both botany and zoology, concentrating more on AAMCET. Okay, we will discuss previous year questions and all those things will be discussed in our live class. So today what we are going to concentrate. So in exam syllabus point of view only. So in each chapter, yesterday and day before yesterday, I have explained you about what are the important chapter wise, the weightage that they have been given, what are the percentage that they have to concentrate. All these things I have explained you yesterday. So today we are more specific with botany. So in botany, what are the important topics, important chapters that are being asked in your exam? So transport in plant. So transport in plant means what are the topics we will be covering. So every plant need food. Every plant need food, and it's for their growth and development. So plants growth and development takes place with mineral support and water support. Soil gives minerals, nutrients, and sunlight gives photosynthesis. Sunlight gives light energy for the photosynthesis. And inside the plant and trunk, waters are being transported. Not only water, solid minerals are being transported through phylum and xylem. So we will learn in depth about phylum. What are the cells are interrelated, cells that are interconnected, that cells how it is helping each other to transport mineral, solid particles and liquid particles. So transportation is happening through phylum and xylem. So specifically, what are the important point from this chapter? How many type of minimum of 1 to 2 questions will be asked from this chapter. We can expect 1 or 2 questions from this chapter. So mineral nutrients, yes, covering from this. So photosynthesis in higher plants. So in this photosynthesis, how light energy are being converted to energy for their mechanism. So to grow in higher plant, photosynthesis plays a major and most important vital role. So that photosynthesis from this chapter, what are the number of questions that they have asked in last previous year question is, it is going to be again 1 to 2 questions are being asked in every year on a yearly basis. So photosynthesis in higher plant is also important. Respirations in plant, plant growth and development, morphology of flowering. So respirations in plants, how they respire through stomata. We know it, right? How stomata are there. What are the stomatal parts? Important key points, topics, structure, MCQs will be covered with this respirations in plant. So plant growth and development. So all these things are required for growth of plant and development. So what are the parts of the plant that will be discussed in morphology of flowering plants? So parts of plants and morphology of flowering plants are being discussed in a higher tone. So here, based on in this chapter, minimum 2 to 3 questions will be asked. 2 to 3 questions will be asked in this 2 chapter. Plant growth and development means growth, differentiation, dedifferentiation and redifferentiation, growth of leaf, growth of root, stem, fruits and seed. So these growths are being discussed in detail under this topic. Morphology of flowering plant. So in morphology of flowering plants, what are the important points? Morphology of flowering plants includes angiosperm, gymnosperm, plant structures, and all the flowers, how they undergo fertilization, the structure of male gametes, structure of female gametes, stigma, style, all that important parts will be discussed, and important process that they undergoes while reproducing or flowering will be discussed in this morphological part. Okay, clear? So when we go ahead with anatomy of flowering plant, that anatomy of flowering plant will describe about the types of flowers, types of leaves, stems, root, all that anatomical part will be discussed in this particular chapter. So all these three chapters are talks about plant, and all these three chapters are highly important. Minimum 2 to 3 questions will be asked, and we can expect more also this time. So every year the number of questions are being asked. Okay, every year the number of questions are being asked. So plant kingdom, what do you mean by plant kingdom? Plant kingdom means we'll learn about plant kingdom. So under this chapter, plant kingdom, what are the most important point is algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm, and plant life cycle, alterations of generation. So what are the changes? So in this, types of algae. So what are the things we'll learn? We'll learn about types of algae. Apart from that, uses of algae, types, uses, features, properties. So all related to algae we will learn. Okay, all related to algae we will learn about it. Okay, so then bryophyta, the same. Where do they live? Exactly, bryophyta, how they are being classified, in what category it comes under. Bryophyta means what are the characteristics, features. Not only the characteristics, features, their reproductive phase, how they grow, which location they grow. All these things we will be learning under bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, and angiosperm. So plant life and its alternation generation also will have this kind of explanation. Guys, any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can discuss. Guys, is there anybody who is watching my session? Anybody is watching my session? Please let me know so that you can ask me doubts. Okay, let me check whether anybody comes in. Okay, next, plant life and alternation. So morphology of flowering plant. So morphology of flowering plants in this chapter, specifically in this chapter, what are the things will be discussed? Okay, in this chapter, what are the things will be discussed? See, in this, the morphology, as I said, the root and the stem, leaf, inflorescence, flowers, fruit, seed, and all these are the parts of any plants. These all are the parts of any plant. To grow any plant, the seed has to germinate. Seed has to be germinated. Once the seed develops with leaves and stem, and then it develops with root. So all these basics we will have a EAMCET clarification and classifications we will be discussing with highlighted important points. Now I am just giving you what are the important key topics we need to focus in EAMCET, in botany, specifically on botany. So specifically on botany, what are the things we have to see? So semi-technical descriptions about plant. Semi-technical description about plant is important, flowering plant. So we will be focusing more on this descriptions on technical flowering. Okay, now descriptions of some important families. So what are the important families and what are the important key points will be described under this category. Okay, now, so these are the major factors of the plant, and where we are going to learn all these concepts. We are going to learn all these concepts from an authorized NCERT books. We are going to learn all these things through authorized NCERT books. All these concepts will be explaining when it is a bryophyta. With the diagrammatic explanations, I am going to explain you. With diagrammatic explanation, I will be explaining you. Along with that, I will be explaining you with important keywords. So there are certain important keywords where we have to focus with the diagram. This, for example, this chapter talks about plant kingdom. So plant kingdom means with something which we talks about all the category of plants which has been classified under that. So this is green algae. This is green algae. So when it comes under green algae, so we have a descriptions about daughter cells, parent colony. So this is parent colony and this is daughter cell. This diagram will help you to remember in exam point of view. So where do this point will help? Where do this plant biology will help? So this plant biology will help you remembering the name of that particular plant. What is the name of this particular plant part? This is daughter cell. Okay. Now what is A2? This one. What is the part of this one? Flagella. So what is the name of this particular cell? What is the name of this particular cell? Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas also falls under this category. So now looking at this particular thing, Volvax, Chlamydomonas, Chara, brown algae, Laminaria, Fucus, Dichota, red algae, Porifera. So we will be finding the differentiations of all these concepts. Example, agar-agar. Where do this agar-agar will be used? Where do this agar-agar will be used? Agar-agar is one of the commercial product which is used for nutrient purpose, which is being used for nutrient purpose. Okay. So plant kingdom, as per plant kingdom, we will have a explanatory part with examples. So chlorophycia means what actually? So chlorophycia, I am just giving you an example, and this kind of preparations will help you. I'll give you a key points and keywords. Those key points and keywords will upgrade your knowledge on EAMCET. Will upgrade your knowledge on EAMCET. So agar-agar is used for used as a nutrient media. Okay, used as a nutrient media, and that nutrient media is going to help in developing the culturing the bacteria. Gladinium, so it helps in formations of gladium. Gracilaria are used to grow microbes and preparations of ice cream and jellies. So we eat ice creams and jellies. No, these ice creams and jellies are being used prepared by agar, obtained from the gladium and gracilaria. So question, how a question can be formed from this particular commercial part? How a question can be asked from this particular part? Hi Hamslika, welcome. So if you are able to understand, no problem. If you have a doubt, ask me. Okay, if you have a doubt, you can ask me. Okay, now gladium and gracilaria are used to grow microbes and are used for the preparations of ice cream and jelly. So chlorella and spirulina. Next important algae, chlorella and spirulina are unicellular algae. So they will be asking you what are the types of unicellular algae. Chlorella and spirulina. Chlorella and spirulina are two algae which rich in protein and used as a food supplement for space traveler. You know, those who travel, the astronauts who travel out inside this in the space, they carry certain food which can be grown and they have to eat. No, for that they use food. For that they eat algae, rich protein algae, that is chlorella and spirulina. Chlorella and spirulina are the unicellular algae rich in protein used by space traveler. So this question has been asked. Okay, so make sure you remember this question. So questions are being asked from the textbook only. So no doubt in that. Okay, next. The algae are divided into three. One is chlorophysa, phaeophysia and rhodophysia. Chlorophysia, phaeophysia and rhodophysia. Clarifying these concepts again with you is chlorophysia. So chlorophysia means what, guys? So the member of chlorophysia are common in green algae. They are common in green algae. Then so commonly called as green algae. What are the other name for green algae? Chlorophysia. And what type of body does this have? It is a filamentous unicellular colony. Remember, chlorophysia is a otherwise called as green algae, and this possesses unicellular and colonial. Unicellular and colonial or filamentous. Colonial means it will be staying in a group wise. It will have a group wise. So they are usually grass green due to the dominance of pigment chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So they have chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B pigments. Okay. So now they are usually grass green due to the dominance of pigment A and B. So here pigment A and B are present, and because of the chlorophyll A and B, it looks green. Okay, and the pigment is localized in defined as chloroplast. Because of this chloroplast only, the chlorophyll A and B are there. So chloroplast may be discoid and plate-like, rectangulated, cup-shaped, spiral and ribbon-shaped in the different species. Okay, then most of the member have one or more storage body used pyramid. Okay. We used spironite, different shaped, used spironite, ribbon shaped and different species. Most of the member have one or more storage. Okay. One or more storage and called as pyramid located. Okay, located in the chloroplast, and pyramid contains protein besides. So this is how we have to note on the key points. Every topics, every paragraph I will discuss with the important keyword, and with that keyword how we can make our points prominent. With that prominent keyword, with the prominent points, how we can remember the important word connected to the MCQs. So MCQ, we will discuss with MCQs along how these questions can be asked in different mode, or how you can eliminate through elimination option, how we can choose the right option. So these are all the various methods that you can apply for choosing the options and making your choice correct. Okay, now the chlorophyll may be discoid, chlorophyll may be discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, ribbon-shaped in the different species. Most of the member have one or more storage bodies called pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. Pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. Okay, now next. So pyrunoid means it has starch and protein. Pyrunoid contains starch and protein. This is another notable point. Note down, guys. So starch, proteins are present in pyrunoids. Some algae may store food in the form of oil droplets. So algae stores their food in the form of oil droplets too. So green algae usually have rigid cell wall and inner layer is cellulose. So green algae always have red inner layer cellulose and outer layer is pectose. This description is also to be noted. This description also has to be noted. Next, vegetative reproduction. So how does this green algae multiplies? Does this generation? So this reproduction takes place with vegetative reproduction. Vegetative means asexual. Vegetative reproduction usually takes place in fragmentation or by formations of different type of spores. Okay, asexual reproduction, that is asexual reproduction, is by flagellated zoospores produced by zoosporangia. So it goes under zoospores and zoosporangia. So I am just giving you one small example, simple example how plant kingdom can be understood or learned. So plant kingdom can be learned and understood with different categorized. So I will be categorizing with this paragraph into different form. One is with questions, the other one is simple points, third one is keywords. Simple points and keywords will be the last minute preparation. So for your last minute revisions and preparation, what you need to have is you need to have a great key points. So key points and key sentence. Key sentence will be helping you in revision. So for revision purpose, you need to have all chapters. Chapters in your fingertip. So only when you have all the chapters, key sentence revision for this you need to have all the chapters in your fingertip. Okay, on your fingertip. So only when you have this all chapters key points, then only you can have a rapid revision. So rapid revision happens only when you have all the content with you and all the concepts are clear. First, so all the concepts gets clear. With all your concepts clear, we can make easily remember or easily we can crack our exam. So you don't wait for any concepts. So subscribe now for your 6 months or 10 months course. So if you have doubts, you can make your Hi Madhu. Hi Madhu, how are you? Vlogs. Madhu, hi. Can you hear me now? Okay, I think he left. Madhu? Yeah, fine, good. Great. So you're preparing for you're preparing for AMCET, or you just wanted to check my class? Are you preparing for exam? Any competitive exam? So this class I'm going to take on biology. So that biology session is going to be a great concept based thing. So to get these benefits, you need to be a plus subscriber, and meanwhile you can follow me on YouTube also for the concept. So every day I'm going to take class. Every day I'm going to take class in the evening 9 o'clock. So be a part of my session and learn the concepts. So you're preparing for AMCET? Okay, you can find my profile in AMCET Arun Kumar. Okay, so do follow me in YouTube, and you can do follow me in Unacademy application. In that you can watch my special class for free. You can watch my special class for free and follow my Unacademy application for your biology concepts. Okay, so today I'll be leaving for the day. So follow, watch, get your concepts clear, crack your exam, live your life, live your dream life. All the best. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.